Hi, I'm Niall Heaney from Gulfstream Boat Sales. Today we're taking a look around this Broom 37 Continental. This boat is in Lough Erne, County Fermanagh here in Northern Ireland, and it's a 1977 built boat fitted with a pair of 140 horsepower Perkins diesel engines. It's a nice boat. It's been well looked after throughout the years. It's been well cared for. It's a great family cruising boat for cruising the inland waterways, and this one boasts a nice spec, as well as the twin shaft drive diesel engines. It has a electric bow thruster, electric anchor winch, electric flush toilets and holding tanks, and it's been nicely sort of maintained and updated and modified over the years. Nice high guardrails all the way around her, lovely wide side decks. These 37 Continentals are a really popular sort of boat, so there's lots of them around, so if you're looking at one of these you're probably familiar with the layout. But beautiful wide side decks. It's got these engine room vents up along the side, and then the windows, the port lights into the aft cabin. Good big aft cabin on her. She's also fitted with a swim platform and davits at the stern. So the layout on board is your typical aft cabin cruiser, so huge big saloon midships here with a lower helm station, and obviously got those doors giving you access on both the port and starboard side. Going forward, we've got a galley on the port side there. We've got a forward double cabin. We've got a heads compartment in there as well, your day heads in there. And then we've got at the aft end access up to the cockpit and the helm position up above, and then we've got steps down in to your aft cabin. Beautiful aft cabin, full beam, with an ensuite heads and shower compartment as well. So a nice spacious family boat. This full beam aft cabin, this is would be the master cabin on board the boat, and it's a huge spacious cabin. You've got two full-size berths on either side, a great bit of floor space in between, nice sort of dressing table unit, stool and things there. We've got these wraparound windows, these windows that go all the way around the back end of the boat. The boat is fitted with a pair of Perkins HT6.354 diesel engines. They're around about 140 horsepower each, and they're on shafts. The owner tells me his top speed, he thinks, around about 8 to 10 knots. He says it's fast enough to overtake higher boats, so that's good. So if you want to overtake a higher boat, if you're cruising down the loch, you can do that. But yeah, this boat's about relaxed cruising, just tipping along at slow speeds. If you like the look of this Broom 37 Continental and you'd like to find out more about it, then please sign up for VIP access on our website at gulfstreamboatsales.com. All you have to do is pop your name and email address into the box below this video on our site at gulfstreamboatsales.com, and you can get VIP access, which is completely free. Then navigate back to the Broom 37 page and you can watch our full-length video tour where I go through the boat in a lot more detail. I show you around the engine compartment a wee bit, look around, sort of look behind the scenes, show you all the storage compartments, and just give you a much better idea of the condition that this boat's in, and hopefully it'll help you to figure out whether it might be the right boat for you. So that full-length video will probably be around about 30 or 40 minutes long, and if you want to see it, just sign up for VIP access at gulfstreamboatsales.com. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it useful.